Dear students, you need to remember a lot while studying. You feel the pressure in mind to remember all the information of different subjects, don't you? Here is today's lesson just for you. Children, today's class is based on writing skill and we shall know about the importance of mind mapping. Children, mind mapping is a powerful approach to note taking. Yes, children, mind mapping is a very useful study technique. It is a visual learning aid for you, the students. Visual means relating to seeing. It helps you to remember the information very easily. Children, a mind map is a graphical way to represent ideas and concepts. Children, it is a visual thinking tool that helps structuring information. It helps you to analyze in better way. It helps you to understand. It helps you to synthesize or bind different ideas. It helps recalling the materials and it helps you to generate new ideas. Mind maps were popularized by Tony Buzan. Children, Tony Buzan is an English author and educational consultant. He popularized the idea of mental literacy, radiant thinking, and a technique called mind mapping. Mind map is a diagram. It is a graphical structure. It is held in a format that our minds find easy to recall or to remember. Children, it is a tool for the brain that captures the thinking that goes inside our head. A mind map creates an image or a picture in our mind. An image or a picture is more powerful to stay with us for a longer time than the words. This is a visual map. As I told earlier, this map allows us to structure our ideas visually to help with analysis and recall. It helps you to build a framework around a central concept. The information is laid out in a radial form around the central or main idea, which acts as the starting point of the map. Children, radial means the pattern that you get when straight lines are drawn from the center. A mind map can turn a long list of information into an organized diagram interestingly. This works in line with your brain's natural way of doing things. We can say a mind map is an arranged, organized, and categorized representation of information. This technique supports learning. This technique improves information recording, and this technique develops problem solving creatively. Children, it shows how facts relate to one another. Let us see how mind maps are useful to us. Mind maps are useful for brainstorming either individually or in group. Children, brainstorming suggests as many spontaneous new ideas as possible. Mind maps helps us summarizing information. Yes, children. Mind maps helps us to summarize information. Mind maps help us taking notes from different sources. Mind maps helps us thinking through complex problem. Mind maps are useful for planning. Mind maps presents information clearly. Mind maps helps us to memorize information, and mind maps play great role enhancing creativity because when you include colors, images and drawings, They become a good work of art. Yes, children, it becomes attractive with artistic expression. Now we shall know about 5 steps of drawing a mind map. Step 1. Children, write the title of the subject or project that you want to develop. Start in the middle of the blank page and draw a circle around it. Step 2. Draw lines out from this circle as you think of subheadings of the topic. Connect the important facts to the center that relate to your subject. Label these lines with your subheadings. Step 3. Find or recover the next level of information. Find out lower level of subtopics. Then connect these to the relevant subheadings. Now, step number 4. Repeat the process for the next level of facts. Draw lines out from the appropriate headings and label them. Step 5. Add the new information to your mind map in the appropriate places. Children, now let us see a textual question. Develop a mind mapping frame or design to show the development in your personality seen within yourself in the last 5 years. You can take the help of the following points in order to develop each of them into further branches: development in physics, self-learning process, communication skills, social awareness, family responsibility. Children, let us see how this mind mapping, this diagram has been done. Let us see the format. Write to me for your queries. Stay fine. See you soon with my new video based on writing skill. Bye. Have a nice time.